Let's be honest, guys, sometimes your videos come out looking a little too ordinary without any really attractive shots or features. But that's where Filme's powerful effects editor really comes to the rescue. With just a few simple clicks, you can drastically change the entire look and feel of your video to make it even more gorgeous and eye-catching. So how do you do it? Let's find out. Step 1. Import the video you're going to edit and add it to the timeline. Step 2. Click the Effect tab to choose the filter or animation that you want to add to your project. There are 3 easy ways to add a filter. The first way is to click the plus icon in the middle and add the effect to the timeline. The second way is right-click on the filter or animation and choose Apply to add it to the timeline where you want. And the third way, drag or drop the filter or animation to the point where you want to add it to the timeline. Step 3. Now you can apply the effect to the video. There are many different video effects that can be added in Filme with 20 kinds of filters and 84 different kinds of elements. Choose your favorite effects and apply it to the video you want. Step 4. After you've added the effects that you would like to apply on all the video clips, click play to see the final editing result. Finally, step 5. Click export to save all the editing effects in the video. If you're interested in Filme, click on the link below to download it for free. It enables you to do all kinds of editing with abundant effects and resources such as filters, titles, animations, music, and more. So for all you nerds out there, let me give you a few pro tips to really up your game with these effects in Filme. To remove effects from your projects, right-click on the filter in the timeline and select Delete Effect from the drop-down menu. If you want to favorite a filter or animation effect, right-click on it in the Effects menu and select Add to Favorites. You can also click the heart icon at the top right corner and add it to Favorite. Then you can find it in the Favorite category. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe as well so you'll know of every time we give you a new video. Zach out, guys. See you next time.